I'm having breakfast. He's having lunch. She's having dinner. It's having a nap. They are having a bath. We are having a date. They are having a cup of coffee. I'm not having breakfast. He isn't having lunch. She isn't having dinner. It isn't having a nap. They are having a bath. We are having a date. They aren't having a cup of coffee. Are you having breakfast? Is he having lunch? Is she having dinner? Is it having a nap? Am I having a bath? Are we having a bath? Are they having a date? Are they having a cup of coffee? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Yes, he yes, he is. No, she isn't. Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Yes, you are. No, they aren't. Yes, you are. No, we aren't. Yes, they are. No, they aren't.